What's up, guys? This is Triple J0401, and today I'm back. As you can tell by the background, I am back home now. Um, Glad to be back. Kind of wish I was still where I was, but school's starting, so I have to be back home. But anyways, we have a since I well, before I say that, since I'm back, I kind of felt bad that I couldn't do videos. Not that I didn't want to do videos for that time. I was just so busy. Plus, I had to be packing back up and all that. Yeah, it was pretty crazy that whole month, I would say. But I did do some videos and do a lot, but I did some. But kind of felt bad. So today I am doing an unboxing. Kind of special because I wanted this for a very long time. Plus, I feel like doing an unboxing would be special to you guys. So we're unboxing this SteelSeries Nimbus wireless controller for the iPhone, iPad, and I think it's a TV. Yeah, an iPod. Yeah. So this would be perfect for me because as you can tell, I have the 12.9 iPad Pro. So it's kind of hard to game on this thing. It is very hard to game on this. But now that I have this, I can officially now do that. So without any further ado, let's unbox this. So let me just get this tape. Okie dokie. There's that. What do you want? Oh. So here it is. I'll let you guys see it first. Oh, they really packed this thing. So there it is. There's the controller. So you're probably wondering, I don't know if you're wondering at all, but ooh, that's nice. Probably wondering why would I need this for my phone. I don't really use it for my phone actually. Let me just feel it. Oh, it's not cheap. Well, it feels a little cheap, but it's not cheap. It's kind of clicky. It's kind of what I like. But I'm not gonna use it for my phone. I'm only gonna use it for this mostly because I have a lot of games on this, especially NBA 2K18, which is my favorite game in the world on the iPad right now. But I thought I was gonna sneeze or something like that. But anyways, I'm mostly gonna do this because it's very hard to do on one of these. And game like this is tough. This is so hard to do. And plus, when you play an NBA 2K18 game, like a quick game or something like that, or my career, and you're holding that for because I think it takes me like an hour to finish one game because I do 12-minute quarters. It's gonna be a lot of weight holding that for an hour. Plus, your hands are gonna get tired, and it's not comfortable. This makes it look very cool because then I get to do one of these. I'll put a little video of me doing it. I'll be able to do that in game while I play. It'd be so cool. Yeah, kind of can't wait till I do it. But I wanted to show you guys some actual what is it? Gameplay of me playing it. So I don't know how I'm gonna upload that part, but you'll see. So when you Actually, before I say anything, when I actually got this, I actually did a lot of research on this because I've been wanting this for about 2 or 3 years, and now that I had the money, I could finally buy it. If you're wondering what the price is on this, it's $49 and like 90 cents, 95 cents, whatever you get it. I got it at Walmart and I picked it up yesterday because there was only one left, and I didn't want to be upset if there wasn't any, because I know Walmart takes a little while for them to actually restock stuff, because sometimes I've seen like the Nintendo Switch when they first got it, it was a while that they restocked them. So there's only one left, so I was like, yeah, I'll just buy it now, whatever. Kind of broke now that I bought it, but whatever. But I was wondering if it does come with a lightning cable. I don't think they would include that, but you never know. No, just that. That's all they give you. Hey, $50, you can't complain. What's that for? I don't know what this is. Does anyone know what this is? I think they're just stickers, but I could be wrong. Oh yeah, that's stickers. Oh, that's kind of cool. I don't know why you need stickers, but hey, I ain't complaining. And then they just give you a booklet. I'm not gonna lose the sticker. It's kind of like Apple, I think. I think that's why I did it, because Apple does that. Oh, this is just a bunch of, yeah. I'll list actually all the devices, because they do list the devices on this, but that's not a complete full compatibility list. So it's gonna be a little long. Just gonna let you know, but it's compatible with, requires an iPhone, an iPad, or iPod Touch with iOS 7.0 or later, Mac with OS X 10.9 or later, or Apple TV 4th generation with TV OS 9.0 or later. And then for the list, the full compatibility list, Apple TV 4th generation, and then iPhone 6s Plus, 6s, 6 Plus, 6, 5s, 5C, or 5 or later. And then for the iPad, it can be the iPad Pro, which is what I own. iPad Air 2, iPad Air, iPad Mini 4, iPad Mini 3, iPad Mini 2, iPad 4th generation or later. And then for iPods, it could be iPod Touch 5th generation, iPod 6th generation or later, but I don't think they make a later version of that. And then Mac support works with 10.9 or later. So that's the full list. If you have one of those devices, then you can do it. And I do own a 6S. I actually, where is it? I think it's, no, it's not there. Somewhere floating over here. I actually do own a 6S, but I don't use it. It just collects dust because I want to sell it, but I don't really want to sell it at the same time. But anyways, the phone that I'm recording this on actually is an iPhone 7. So you can use 7, I think, but we'll just see. But if you have any games that or if you do own this already, if you have any games that you know that will work with it, I do know GTA works with it, and NBA 2K18, because I've seen people, and also Real Racing 3, because I know those games officially do work with it, because I've already seen people play it before. Not 2K18, but I know they had on one of their compatibility lists on the website of SteelSeries, they did list 2K14, so I was like, probably 18 works and 14 works. And plus, I already looked on NBA 2K18 on the pause menu. You can go under controller settings and it says controller, so I already knew that it works. So when you turn it on, it should just, let me just get my Bluetooth setting on. I would expect that it just automatically connect. But let me just get this set up. Ooh, wait, I moved you guys too quickly. Let me just get this like this, and then go like that. So, I need a box. I need a box. I need a box. I have my, I'm doing this one-handed, so sorry. I don't have a tripod. I wish I did. Why won't it focus? I'm doing this so one-handed. This is very hard. Let me just put you down. It's alright, gonna be a black screen. I really don't think that helps. Come on, work with me. That's not gonna help either. Okay. I guess you're just gonna have to focus. Oh, there we go. I see it. So when you get the controller, I think you just go like this. Oops. I changed the settings. You're gonna go like this. Right here, this little button here. It's the, maybe I can get it. There we go. See, you just click it like that. And those little lights I think turn on. And it should just connect. I think it'll just pop up here. It doesn't. And I know there's a Bluetooth button, so. Oh, it's not showing. Alright, let me just hold it. There we go. See, so it says Nimbus. I know that's the controller because it's called SteelSeries Nimbus. So I just click that. Okay, it does work. Okay, so hopefully I can get you guys. Oops. Hopefully I can get you guys a recording of this. I think I should do it this way. Maybe. I don't have anybody here, so I'll just have to do it like this. I guess. So, let's up at 2K. I gotta turn that off because that's copyright. Don't want to get in trouble. I already got a right report, so I was not happy. So, I'm just gonna have to show you. Ooh, I forgot I can't record that way. Sorry. So a couple minutes of it is gonna be the other way around. But we're just gonna pick random players so I can just give you a demo that it does work, and then we're just gonna, actually I don't want him. We're gonna use my player, so my player. And then I'll show you. So I'm gonna have to do it this way because I don't have anybody with me to record this. So you're gonna have to just deal with it. Hopefully it does work, because I'd be mad if it doesn't. So alright, so see, I am moving it. I really wish this would just focus. So let me just see. And then X, I think it's shoot, because in Xbox it is. Oh, I got blocked. I feel very embarrassed. Whatever. Let me just get you a straight pointer. Go up and pop it. Alright, so it does work. Just wanted to show you that it does work. Hopefully I can get a better camera. But yeah, so kind of was not really, I'm not disappointed in it, but I'm kind of disappointed that this doesn't come with the lightning cable, but it's not a big deal. I've got absolutely tons, and then obviously how you charge it is this little slot. It's kind of basic, and you just pop it there and you wait for the lights to show. Yeah, so I'm not disappointed with it. I'm not disappointed in the lightning cable. Plus the lightning cable is like, I don't know, like $19, something like that. There's a charger over there. I'll just use the one I got for my iPad at the Apple Store because it's $80 and gotta use it somewhere. But there's nothing really to talk about. Oh, I also want to let you know, if you are planning on owning a SteelSeries Nimbus controller, yes, you can multiplayer on games that are. That's why there's also 1, 2, 3. 4, I don't doubt you can see that, but that's why you see over here 1, 2, 3, 4, because you can connect to multiple players at once. So, like on an Xbox, you know, I'll just give you an example because I know this for a fact. Obviously, most people would. On Xbox controller, 360 controllers, you see that 1, 2, 3, 4 listed on the little circle on the top middle. That's what this is kind of based off of. But instead of not a circle, it's on the line. So when you first see it in hand or the box, you'll see it. It says a little red on the little red on the little. On the bottom, you see 1, 2, 3, 4. That's for the players if you are doing a multiplayer game. But to be honest, I don't know any multiplayer games that would be compatible with it. With not that this, but on a game, because I don't know any games that you can do multiplayer with. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Sorry for the crazy video that I had to keep changing it. I'm still in the basics of YouTube. I'm not a full perfect person on it, but I'm starting to get used to it. But I do love making videos. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I think that's about it. See you guys soon. Peace. Oh, before I go, actually, I do have a. Well, I don't really want to spoil it, but I will just say it. I do have a video that was 49 minutes long, and when I was where I was in for vacation, I'm not explaining where I was because I don't want to give anything away or where I was because it's just none of your business because it's for my family. But anyways, when I were where I was, the internet was kind of slow because it was summer and there's a lot of people there, so the internet kind of slowed down quickly. But other than that, I will, because my internet here at my house is so fast, so I can be able to upload that. So I don't know when I'll be uploading that, but it'll be within a couple of weeks because I want to upload that before school starts, because I know school starts in like a week, sadly. But other than that, I'll upload that video soon, and then it's a 49-minute video. It was supposed to be that project I was giving away, but it's kind of given away now. But I'm uploading that soon. It's 49 minutes long. It's a very long video, but I wanted to upload it anyway because I was working on it. So hope you enjoyed that video. But other than that, it's been Triple J, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.